Hello and welcome to Naples Motorsports. I'm Mike Irvine and today I'm going to be showing you this 2012 Aston Martin Virage Volante. Now this car is finished in a beautiful color called Morning Frost, which on a bright sunny day has just a very nice pearlescent to it. Now the Virage is an interesting model because it was made for just 1 year. It was a step above the DB9, had a little bit more power and much more aggressive styling. As you come to the side of the car, you'll notice it does have the 21-spoke wheels, carbon ceramic brakes with red brake calipers, and as I was talking about the little bit more aggressive styling, if you look right here, the rocker panel juts out and is much more aggressive than a DB9 of the same year would be. Now the Virage did get just a little bit more power, and this car with 8,000 miles on it is in very much like new condition. There is no curb rash on any of the wheels, no dents or dings down the side, and one of my favorite things with this car is you come around to the trunk, you'll see it still has the Aston Martin umbrella here and a very usable trunk for the car itself. Now as we come around to the driver's side, we'll take again a look at the condition. If you see no dents or dings anywhere along the side, there's no curb rash on any of the wheels, and with the carbon ceramic brakes you have very little brake dust, which is quite nice. Now as you come inside, it is the black interior that has white piping as well as white stitching, which makes for a very nice look throughout the interior of the car. Now I do have two keys with this, one valet key and one crystal key, as well as the books. The piano black trim in the middle there is quite nice when your navigation pops up out of the dash. And another nice feature with this car, if I sit in for just a second here, have you guys come in and join me, you do get the Aston Martin Pin as well, which a lot of times in the pre-owned cars you don't find these. So it's very nice to have this still, and it spots right there. Now once again, this is the second time that this Aston Martin has been in my inventory. We always like to get our cars back and be able to have a great story to go along with them. With just 8,000 miles on it, this 2012 Virage in Morning Frost or Pearl White could be yours next. Please check out our website, naplesmotorsports.com, for all 60 pictures as well as a complete description of this and all of the other wonderful cars in our inventory. Thank you very much for watching this video walk around, and please ask for me, Mike Irvine, when you're ready to take home your next exotic. Thank you and have a good day.